Why do mud terrain tyres, like these Jeweller's 674s, offer such superior traction once you get off-road? Well, have a look at what I'm driving right now. You couldn't do this on highway terrain tyres, you simply couldn't. A lot of people think it comes down to tread depth and pattern. Whilst that's certainly true, that's only a part, that's one piece of the puzzle. The thing is, there's so much more to a mud terrain tyre than just the aggressive tread pattern. Have a look at how these Bridgestone 674s handle these terrains. Even when we took them along the telly track up in the Cape, it didn't matter how thick the mud was. They just flung the crud out of the treads and kept gripping. Technology really has come a long way when it comes to tyres, and it's something I've seen firsthand over all the years that I've been doing this. Bridgestone reckon the 3D tech they've incorporated into these tyres is a big part of the reason why they're so capable off-road. And really, it's pretty hard to argue with that. Just looking at this cutout, you can see how the special shaping has been used to enhance the tread, optimising it along with its side biters to give better traction off-road. I found that the tread grooves really do cut deep into the mud, providing traction when it's most needed. These buttresses here utilise this step-slope combination, which means that the rubber's stiffness is more consistent and the sides of the tyre flex and bag more evenly. I tell you what, you could really notice it on the rocks that we just took the Ranger over. Another all-important piece of the puzzle for any quality muddy is a tread compound. It's a fact of off-road life that your tyres are going to cop a beating, and cutting and chipping is a very common occurrence. The advanced compound in these Bridgestone Jewellers offers improved cut and chip resistance, which means it can cop a heavy beating off-road and still get you home safely. And believe me when I say we gave these boots an absolute thrashing.